All right, good morning. This is Mike, the Fresh Rinse. This is my grandson, Carlisle. And he and I are going to wash Jazzy today. We have some soap mixed in with our downstream injector. And in fact, we're using, we're using Rinse Aid. Let me find it. We're using Rinse Aid as our soap. So we'll do like that. Rinse Aid. Walmart. Carlisle is going to spray down Jazzy, and then I'm going to do the old scrubby. Or maybe you'll do both.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. All right. He's having a blast. Turn it on soap. Now walk around it spraying it. We've got the 8 GPM machine going on. I've got it throttled down kind of low, so it's not coming out full force. Got the Flow Pro going. The Rinse Aid is rinsing or aiding or rinse aiding. And now we're spraying some soap on Jazzy. There you go, buddy. I don't know, I feel like it's not working. Hold on. Okay, I had the wrong tube in the bucket, so now spray it. Keep on spraying. Soap will come out soon. There we go. Now it's spraying. See it? Now walk around the truck doing that. I'll be your hose management guy. Hold on. He's a Cracker Jack. Okay, now you want to scrub it?
Yeah.
It's kind of heavy. Scrub her down. Hold on a second. Yeah, we got Carlisle a smaller handle, and now this is working much better. Oh, Jazzy was dirty. It's been a couple of weeks since we washed Jazzy down. We gotta get the wheels. Gotta spray off all the bed. Hey guys, Mike here, the Fresh Rinse. Hey, I just want to take just a moment and say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It means the world to me. I get it. YouTube is big and your time is valuable. You could watch any channel that you want to, and you've chosen to take the time to watch this channel, and that means the world to me. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Later today, we're having a birthday party for a couple of the other grandkids. And I think I'm gonna take the 19-inch Whisper Wash and I'm gonna turn it on its side, hook the 8 GPM machine to it, put a tennis ball right here, hold down the trigger, and let them kind of run through it. That should be fun. He's doing a great job. It's okay, it won't hurt you. It's just soap. You probably need a shower anyways. There you go. Great job. Okay, we have the 31-inch Mini Mondo set up. We've opted for the Mini Mondo. Instead of the 19-inch Whisper Wash, you just get more fun. So for those of you who've been wondering how you can hold your trigger down without using a zip tie, which would be terribly unsafe, use a tennis ball. If you drop the Whisper Wash for whatever reason, the surface cleaner, the tennis ball falls out and all is safe. Miss Evelyn is now joining us. And now we've got some action. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell tab to never miss another video. My name's Mike with Evelyn and Carlisle. We're out.